Geng, macam mana nak buat ni, ya Allah. Tembus. Tengok. Aku bawa-bawa tadi jatuh, kau tahu tak? Weh, Starbucks weh. Dia macam ni nak deal ni, aduh. Koyak pula, geng. Hello? Sorry, here got a bit incident. Water all spill already because the packaging all tear out. All the water is damaged during the delivery because of the packaging. I already take picture. Now I'm trying to submit. I still chatting with AI. I try to submit so they can refund your money. Okay geng, so tadi air Starbucks tu tumpah apa. Masak basah kepala. Okay geng, so Starbucks tu dah tumpah. Sekarang ni aku tengah nak chat dengan AI dekat Grab ni lah, nak report macam mana kan.